talking about what I introduced about, just this one. And this is very close to my heart, as many of you already know. It's called ukulele. Okay. For the first time when I saw it, I thought it's so cute. It's so cute. And I didn't do that blunder of calling it a guitar. Actually, it's a blunder. If you call it a guitar, it's a blunder. Okay. So I saw a video of my friend who, I don't know why, climbed a mountain peak on a snowy day. He went up to the peak, and what he did, with a palpitating heart and all the vibrations in his voice and shaking head, which is a mandate when you're playing ukulele, he started playing the music and he recorded a video, and it was actually viral, at least in his friend list. And when I saw that, my first question was that, what instrument is this? And he was so happy that you were asking what instrument this is and you're not saying which type of guitar this is. And that's why he thought that, Khushbu, if you're interested to know about this instrument, since you didn't do that blunder of calling it a guitar, you can learn it in one day. Khushbu, you can learn it in one day. And I thought, okay, I can learn it in one day? I said, yeah, it's simple. Okay, so how do we start? So you tell me, when, how? So he told me that, okay, first step, buy your own ukulele. Until the time you don't do that, I cannot help. Okay, let me start buying. I started my research, okay, of from where can I get a ukulele. I started calling up all the places in Delhi, who sell musical instruments. I called up and said, do you have a ukulele? And they would be like, no, you have that listed on your website. If you go to your website, go to this link, you have it listed there. So maybe you have it, just check. So I called up all the musical instrument houses in Delhi, potentially. We had some listing in Delhi. And they either told me it's not available, or they told me, why don't you order online? Or they said, another story, buy a guitar, break 2 strings, and actually you'll get 6 strings instead of 4 if you buy a guitar at the same price. So they started convincing me why I should buy a guitar and not a ukulele, which was that sales strategy. I never got convinced. Okay? And I ordered online. That was the last resort. It took 2 months for shipping, and by the time I had forgotten about it. One day I got a call from home. I was in office and my mom called. And by the way, my mother is masters in music, and she used to play sitar. It's this huge. She said, something called ukulele, your musical instrument has arrived. It's in a pack. But she thought the packet is empty. And I was in office, I said, I can't do much, I'll just reach home and check. I also felt it's empty. And the reason is that it's too light. I opened the packet and I just showed that to my mother. This is ukulele. And she was like, you paid 6,000 rupees for this. This is a musical instrument or a toy? And I said, Mama, please, don't say that. Okay. So that was that story, and I was again disappointed that should I have bought a guitar or ukulele? I mean, I was still thinking. Anyways, I went back to the same friend who promised that I could learn it in one day. And before I could even send a message to him on Facebook, I saw his status relocated from Delhi to some other city. The next step was I checked with my cousin who is a guitarist. I asked him that, hey bro, you know what, I bought a ukulele. And he said, oh, that's a nice instrument. And I was again happy, he knows about the instrument, good. What he told me, Dee, you can learn it in one day. Okay, I can learn it in one day. I'll tell you how to play a guitar, and then you can translate that to ukulele. It's very simple. Okay, fine, I'll do that. So that's how my journey with ukulele was going on. And here are some facts about ukulele which you can know about, if it all moves to the next slide. So ukulele comes from Hawaii. It's an instrument which came in 125 years back, so it's fairly new, 19th century. So some Portuguese people brought that to Hawaii and became part of Hawaiian culture. Then what does it mean? Okay. It actually means a jumping flea. So its flea jumps like this, and so it sounds. So that's why it's called ukulele. In Hawaiian culture, it's called ukulele. In UK, it's called ukulele or ukulele. But if you want to sound cool, you can just call it uke. And here's why, like the story I told you, that why you should not compare it with guitar is that this is the typical tuning of a guitar, and this is the tuning of ukulele. So even if you cut the last two strings, first two strings, or first or the last string, you cannot make a ukulele from a guitar. So if somebody tries to convince you that, you don't get convinced. Oops. I did it! Okay. Okay, finally, why I'm talking about all this is I'm not promoting ukulele over here. The idea here is let's try something different. Let's try something new. Even if rest of the world tells you to go right, if you want to go left, go left.